Only 1% can solve this. What is the capital of the USA? Washington, D.C. Which currency is used in the USA? Dollar. What is the national bird of the USA? Bald eagle. Which holiday celebrates independence? Independence Day. Which state is the largest by area? Alaska. Who was the first U.S. president? George Washington. Which city is known as the Big Apple? New York. Which ocean is on the east coast of the USA? Atlantic. Which mountain range is in the US? Rockies. What is the national sport of the USA? Baseball. Which state has Hollywood? California. Which river is the longest in the USA? Mississippi. What are the colors of the U.S. flag? Red, white, blue. Which U.S. state is Disney World in? Florida. Which U.S. state is famous for Las Vegas? Nevada. Which is the U.S. national anthem? The Star-Spangled Banner. Which state is known as the Sunshine State? Florida. Which U.S. state has the Grand Canyon? Arizona. Who is known as the father of the Constitution? James Madison. Which U.S. state is closest to Russia? Alaska. What is the national flower of the USA? Rose. Which state is known for Hollywood? California. Which state is known for Silicon Valley? California. Which city hosted the 1996 Olympics? Atlanta. Which U.S. city has the White House? Washington, D.C. Which state is famous for maple syrup? Vermont. Which U.S. state is an island chain? Hawaii. What is the Statue of Liberty's color? Green. What is the U.S. legislative branch? Congress. What is the U.S. national language? English. Out of 30 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.